Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wished your WhatsApp call automatically reply to message and take orders or even handle customer support, you are in the right place. Today I will show you step by step how to create your own WhatsApp AI agents and set up full WhatsApp automation using AI and no code needed. By the end of this video, you will have your own AI WhatsApp bot, sends message automatically, and even understand natural languages. Let's get started. We will use an AI software will do all things. It's called name Zap Agents. And to get access to Zap Agents, I will leave a link in description.